Hey YouTubers, this is Guardian Mike and I am here with Mr. Woz. Your name, sir?
Doug Wozniak.
And you are an attorney licensed in the state of Michigan.
Correct.
And you've got a practice, where's that at?
Shelby Township.
And we'll link to that in our YouTube video to your website, because you got a website. Is that all right with you?
Oh, that's great.
And we Guardians around the state of Michigan have some questions. In scenario number one, mom gets discharged from the hospital to a nursing home. And as she gets discharged, the nursing home asks the kids to sign the papers. Papers on admissions, releases, but the kids have no agency relationship, no powers of attorney, no guardianship, no conservatorship, no patient advocate designation. And we want to avoid medical debt. What can you tell us? What should we do?
Well, at that point, it depends on the contract. Now, the nursing home, various ways of signing for that. You can always sign for, say, mom as her representative. However, under the law, you have no duty to make payments for mom. Under the law, you have a duty to use mom's resources for the nursing home. In other words, you couldn't divert those to go on a month vacation out of mom's funds. That money is supposed to go to the nursing home. So if they try and say that you have to dedicate personal funds for mom, that's not true.
Could you always say, let's have mom sign these?
Oh, best thing to do is to have the patient sign them, yes.
And how do we'll want to do a separate, can you identify 2 or 3 options we would have to avoid being even put in the box where they're approaching you to sign? Can you label them powers of attorney?
You could have the power of attorney for financial affairs, yes.
And that would avoid any hint of responsibility. And if we had a power of attorney, is that correct?
That is correct.
And how do you recommend your clients to sign if they are the power of attorney for mom?
Well, there's a couple ways you can do it. Say you sign mom by son, and you say attorney in fact. That's the long way to do it. Or mom by son, and then I usually recommend people put POA and circle it, or just sign son and POA. Those are 3 different ways you can do it. They're all sufficient.
All right, we're going to fade to black, and then thank you very much. We got a follow-up video here.